In this video, we will look at a line of best fit by eye, which can be used to predict what might happen. However, the line of best fit using the technology gives more accurate results and will be demonstrated in another lesson. Let's look at the terminology related to the line of best fit. Interpolation is when we make a prediction within the existing range of data points. Extrapolation is when we make a prediction outside the existing range of data points. Interpolation is more accurate than extrapolation, as we cannot be sure that the behavior of data points will continue outside the range of values in the dataset. Extrapolation should not be used if the required data value lies far outside the range of given data values. Let's look at an example. Here we have a table which shows scores of 10 students in mathematics and in science test. Illustrate the data on a scatter plot with M on the horizontal axis and S on the vertical axis. We'll go part by part. Part A. We have already covered in another lesson how ordered pairs of data can be plotted as dots on a number plane. So first order pair 64, 68, 67, 73, 69, 68, 70, 75, 73, 78, and so on. Part B. Draw a line of best fit by eye and find the equation of the line. We have already learned how to draw a line of best fit by eye. So draw a line which distributes these dot points evenly. So in this case, 5 above and 5 below. Now next part of the question is find the equation of the line. We know that we can find the equation of line either by gradient and intercept or by 2 points. Now we cannot use intercept because here the vertical axis and the horizontal axis, they are not crossing at 0. So let's look at 2 points from this graph. These points are 72.5, 75 and 80, 82.5. Gradient can be found by using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, gradient is 1. Equation of a line can be found using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So the equation of the line is y is equal to x plus 2.5. But y is for vertical axis, means showing science scores. X is the horizontal axis, means showing math scores. So S is equal to m plus 2.5. Next part of the question. Use the equation to predict the score in science of a student who scores 80 in mathematics. So write down the equation. S is equal to m plus 2.5 and replace m with 80 and solve for S. So S is 82.5. Now, next part. Use the line of best fit to predict the score in mathematics if student scores 60 in science. Again, write down the equation. S is equal to m plus 2.5. Replace S with 60 and solve for m. So m is 57.5. Part E is either part C or part D, an example of extrapolation. Part C is an example of interpolation, as math score 80 when drawn to the line falls within the range of given data dot points. Part D is an example of extrapolation as science score 60 gives mass marks 57.5, which is outside the range of given data dot points. Just remember, prediction by the line of best fit by eye can have significant error. The exact line of best fit can be found using the formula or by graphical software or scientific calculator.